All right, so we have 4 times x squared minus 8x plus a blank minus 36 parenthesis y squared minus, hold on, 216 divided by 36 is 6. Okay, then minus 6y plus a blank equals 80 plus 2 blanks. All right, half of negative 8 is negative 4. Negative 4 squared is 16, but we really just added 64. Half of negative 6 is negative 3. Negative 3 squared is 9, but we really added negative 36 times 9. We really added negative 324. So on the left, we have 4 times the quantity x minus 4 squared minus 36 times the quantity y minus 3 squared equals negative 324 plus, that would be 144. Okay, negative 324 plus 144. So that's really 324 minus 144. So that's going to, oh, whoops, I should have cleared that. 324 minus 144, so that's negative 180. Oh, I see the problem. So when you divide by negative 180, divide by negative 180, divide by negative 180, divide by negative 180, you end up with the x's squared become the negative fraction. So they're going to go here. So I'm going to have x minus 4 squared over 45. I think I did that in my head, so that could be wrong. And then this becomes the positive fraction, so it's going to go first. So y minus 3 squared over 36 and 180. Is that 5? Yeah, that's got to be 5. And that is the standard form. So the y squareds come first. That's why it should open up and down. And the center of this is going to be at positive 4, positive 3. Okay.